My 2016 Honda Accord Sport. Just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys how to disconnect your daytime running lights. I have the e-brake off, so that's the one way you can do it if you're parked. You can start the car with the e-brake on and your daytime running lights won't come on. What happened with me is this part right here, the middle part, is burnt out. Apparently it's like a manufacturer issue. I have like 83,000 miles, so I'm not really planning on buying another headlight that might die again. But what I'm going to do is just show you guys. There's actually just plugs for each one. If you can get your hands in there, it's a little tight, but I was able to do it. Got pretty big hands. Plugs right down there. And you go ahead and you just do the same on this side. There's a little tab you have to push down on and those will pop out. It's on the outside end on the lights, the gray cap, but once you do that you will no longer have your daytime running lights on if that's something you want, or if you have the same problem I do.